Hey beautiful beings, thank you for tuning in. So today I just wanted to talk about why exactly should we consume more plants and why should we consume more herbs. Well, the truth is these beautiful plants were placed here to help us heal. Plants have always been here to provide us the essentials that we need. Not only do the plants provide us with the proper minerals and nutrients, but with those minerals and nutrients is when we're able to fight off these diseases. It is possible for us to heal our bodies. We are our own healers. Eating and incorporating more plants and herbs in your life will not only help you on a physical level, mentally you're able to think better because our gut is connected to our brain. So whatever we eat is going to affect how we think and react. You're able to think better. You're able to emote, have emotions, and process them without holding on to them. And just mentally, spiritually, physically, you feel more aligned because that's what plants are here to do. You look at a plant and they're just so fun and happy, and like that's what they want to bring out in all of us, is that vitality. Our body, is so intelligent. It's healing every day. Our red blood cells take about 4 months to repair. Our bones can repair. They take every 10 years, but I mean, they still doing it because we're gonna be here for many decades. And then we have our actual lining, stomach lining, and intestines. That only can take up to 5 days. Our skin takes 2 to 4 weeks to repair. So of course, flushing the blood out as well, being able to cleanse all of that. Scientists used to say our brain cells can't be repaired, but they can. Slowly but surely, with the power of plants, intention, herbs, breath, detoxing, cleansing, can make anything happen, honestly. But when we're eating all of these dead foods or foods that are processed, we're not, So I'm getting on topic, but plants, on the other hand, they're like poop, 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 helping us get rid of all that shit, helping us give us the energy we need, and plants are the best. That's why incorporating plants and herbs into your life more will save you. You will feel like you've never felt before, probably in your life. I can talk about plants all day, but this is just the introduction, so I'll stop there before I get too excited. But thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know. Eat more plants.